Guys, in the previous video, we made Filipino meat marinade. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make short rib Filipino style. The beef is so glossy. It's naturally sweetened and it's super tender.
This recipe is easy and it comes out looking like this, restaurant quality. Here's what you need: Flanken cut short rib and your Filipino barbecue marinade sauce. Submerge the meat completely. You might have to turn it in between the marinating time. 8 to 10 hours for the short rib. When it's ready, make your basting sauce. Add some lime juice that's fresh and some extra cane vinegar. And then pat the meat dry. You want to remove the excess moisture. Put it on the hot skillet or grill. Turn it when it has those charred sides and a little bit of searing. And then baste it, and then turn it again, and then baste it, and then turn it again. And look how gorgeous that is.
And as always, don't forget the rice.
Thanks again. I'm Jackie. Please subscribe and like for more Asian recipes.